Hello everyone, good morning. So again I am back with yet another art activity. Today I am going to do uh, something best out of waste. Best out of waste. So from the name itself you can guess. That is usually we use certain things and after that, after we use it, we just throw it away. So I thought, why not we recycle and use it for something uh, useful. Okay, so the materials needed today are 2 coconut shells, acrylic colors, brush, and Fevibond. We are going to make use of this coconut shell. Everyone has, they use coconut at home. We use coconut and just throw away, discard the shells. So today we are going to do something using this coconut shells. Okay, we'll start. Okay, so first we have got 2 shells, 2 coconut shells. So what we'll do is ask the child to paint one shell with this yellow color. It's not actually yellow, it's a mixture of brown and white. I have mixed it and kept. We are actually going to make a stand with 2 coconut shells, a doll stand. So this is the upper part, this is the face part, and this is the part below. Okay, so the face I am using a light brown color. So white and brown I have mixed it and kept. So ask the child to just dip it in this paint. This you have to mix and keep, and just paint all over the coconut shell. It's very easy. You show them how to hold the coconut shell and then just paint the shell. They can also keep it like this on the paper and just hold here and then do it like this. That will be easy for them. So they have to do it evenly, covering all the whole part. See, like this, let them paint the whole shell with the skin color. And it has to dry. Since it's acrylic paint, it has to dry for 5 to 10 minutes. It's almost complete. Okay, so this we'll keep it for drying separate. And now we'll take the second part, second shell. For this I am going to use purple. You can use any color. Okay, so I am using purple color. Any dark color would go with this. Just dip it in purple color and again let the child paint this shell also. This is actually the doll's dress or skirt. So any color, any dark color or light color, whatever the child likes, let him paint. Double coat would be good, because wherever patches are left out, the double coat will give it a good finish. See, like this. Let him paint it evenly. This is very simple and takes just 5 to 10 minutes. So it finishes very soon. This is, if you want, you can also put some dots or something. That is the last part. Once this dries, you can put like that. Okay, so this also is done. So I'm keeping it for drying. Now we have to draw the face. Okay, this is the upper part, right? So we have to draw the face of the doll. So you can take black paint. Bud will be easy for the child to hold. You can use a small brush also, but for the children this bud would be easy. Let's see, it's almost dried now. The paint is almost dry. So this is the doll's face. So we are going to paint the features, the eyes, eyebrows and all that. So ask the child to dip the earbud in black paint and just guide him. Maybe you can draw on a piece of paper and ask him to see it and just draw. If he cannot, you can draw that. See, I am going to draw the eyebrows. See, like this. And the eyes. Okay. So I'll draw the eyebrows and eyes and show you. And the nose. And a wide smile. Okay, so this face I have drawn. And now for the hair part. Okay, so we can just ask the child to draw some hair. You can even hold this for him. So just with the bud, let him draw like this. Paint like this. See, little touch up after he finishes, you can do a little bit of touch up. So it'll look cute since it's a kind of cartoon figure. So it should look cute, that's all. Okay, so that's it, done. And now the final part is sticking this portion on top of this shell. That we have to do it carefully. So I am just now keeping this shell here and apply Fevibond, 2 drops. You have to have Fevibond or Fevikwik, because Fevicol I don't think it will be that good. So just apply some Fevibond on this part, upper part. Wait for 2 seconds. Wait for 2 seconds. And then slowly keep this. I'll turn and show you once I stick this. I'll turn this and show you. So the sticking part you will have to do. It's a bit delicate thing. The painting child can do. And the coconut shells actually, you might notice it will have a lot of bristles. So before we start painting, what you have to do is, with a sandpaper, you can nicely rub on the coconut shell, remove all the bristles and make it very smooth. Then only if you paint it will look perfect. So you can make it very smooth and then you start painting. So now, doesn't it look cute? So this is the doll using coconut shell. Actually, this is not only a showpiece. You can use this as a holder to keep coins or pen drives or even small trinkets, whatever you have, like earrings or whatever small trinkets, you can use this to store. So it looks so cute, right? So please try it out. It's not so difficult as you think. It's very simple. Only the last sticking part only the child will need assistance from you. The rest of the things I am sure he'll be able to do. So try it out. Have fun. Bye.